Today, I'm not only what I consider one of Vancouver's hidden gems and best kept secrets for young families, but also the neighborhood that I believe has the highest potential for future appreciation. That's right, we're in the River District, and I'm about to show you a beautiful 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom concrete townhouse that's quiet, spacious, and ultra convenient. Let's head inside and take a closer look. Welcome to 3574 Sawmill Crescent at Avalon 1. The main floor of this home features a spacious, open-concept floor plan, radiant in-floor heat, a kitchen with a gas range and a peninsula that is perfect for entertaining, a good-sized bedroom that can also serve as a home office, as well as a spacious front patio with a gas hookup to enjoy summer barbecues and quality time with family and friends. Upstairs you will find 2 more generously sized bedrooms, a functional den, and a primary that features a large walk-through closet and an elegant 4-piece ensuite. Enjoy a lifestyle that truly allows you to feel part of an ever-growing community. Whether it's walking or riding your bike along the trails of the river, having the ability to grab groceries, coffee, or take advantage of all your other necessary services and amenities on foot, now is the time to invest in the River District and benefit from this neighborhood's incredible growth and potential. So book your private showing today. Marty Majerski, RE/MAX Select Realty.